Level 4? Oh my god! We started our journey a few months ago and now we are at level 4. Congratulations, guys! You did a brilliant job. Welcome to the 10th episode of Puppet Making and Puppetry under What's Your Hobby? Socks are of many types. You get black socks, white PT socks, colorful socks, design socks and also stinky socks. But how about making puppets with socks? Already liking the idea, huh? Why wait then? Let's check out how they're made. Now to make our all-awaited sock puppet, the materials which we need are a sock, which is the primary material. It can be a sock of any color or design, but it should match with the personality of your character. Then here is a yarn of wool for the hair of the puppet. I have taken some colored A4 size sheets. I have taken yellow and black color. I will use this red felt cloth for the tongue of my puppet. Then I'll be needing sketch pens. Here are some cotton wool. You can take different colors of pom-poms as well, but since I don't have pom-poms of this size, I am using cotton wool. Then you will be needing cardboard. For the decoration, you can use buttons, you can use crystals, and we have a pair of scissors and glue as the must. So let's head on to the making process of the sock puppet. The first thing which we need to do is to take the sock and then invert it. So put your hands in the sock like this and then invert this sock. Okay. So always remember this back portion of the sock, which is for the heel, that should always be at the top. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to make the mouth of the puppet, and for that I'll be using cardboard. Okay, this is the cardboard. So you can measure the length and then cut a size with your scissors. So this is stuck now. Let it dry for a couple of minutes. I think this has dried well enough. So it has stuck properly to the sock, and now we'll again straighten our sock. Take the sock like this. So this forms the mouth of your puppet. You will wear it like this. This portion, heel portion, should always be on the top. So your puppet will look like this. Okay, now I'll make the hair for the puppet. Let me show you how to make it. For that, I have the yellow wool. wrap this around the cardboard. So I have wrapped quite a lot of wool. I think this should be sufficient for the hair. So I'll cut it out. Now what we do, we take it out of the cardboard carefully. Then we'll tie it in the middle, okay, and fix this with the glue. Now what you will do is you will cut this part and this part out for your crazy hair for the puppet. So this makes the crazy hair for our puppet, which we'll place on it like this. Okay, now it's time for the eyes. Okay, so let me wear this puppet so that I can know where the eyes should be. Now we can place the eyes here and other here. Okay, now let's do it accordingly. Now what will we do? We will stick the eyes in the respective places. Let this dry for a couple of minutes. Now have an idea where the eyes would be, so let's stick the hair behind the eyes. Let this dry along with the eye for some minutes. Let's draw the eyes. So I've chosen this yellow sheet for the eyes. Make a circle like this, measure its size, and then fold it. Then make your cut so that you can cut both the eyes simultaneously. I'll be back right after cutting them. So you can see the eyeballs here are ready, so let's stick them. Allow this to dry for some minutes. Now it's time for the googly eyes. Let's stick them on the puppet. This should also dry for some minutes. So while this is drying, we can make the tongue for our puppet. So what we can do, we can draw our tongue like this. Cut it out and fix this inside this mouth. So I'll be back after cutting this out. Here, as you can see, the tongue is ready. Now it's time to fix it. So we have to fix the tongue deep inside the mouth. So our glue gun should reach there. So the basic structure of our puppet is ready. Now let it wear on my hand again. See whether this is perfect. Yes, so you can see now we have to decorate. With this felt paper I can make a bow tie for my puppet. So let's cut this out. Let's put the bow tie here and then we'll top it up with a colored button. Nice, right? So let's use this yellow pom-pom for the nose. Okay, put glue here and then stick it as the nose of the puppet. So this completes our puppet. Meet Shinzo.
Hi everyone, I am Shinzo, the crazy sock puppet. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. You have learned how to make the sock puppet. Do try this at your home and make amazing characters like me. Ha 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 ha.
So you see, Shinzo can talk as well. So you can try different characters like Shinzo in your home and show it to me. I'm waiting to see your collection.
Bye.
In my next episode, I plan to make an animal puppet with sock, but its name will be a surprise. Like my video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications and updates. Visit the Sparklebox website to get a craft kit for yourself in which you can get all the craft items together. That's all for today. Stay happy, stay creative. Bye-bye.